Welcome to another unboxing, more fabric to show you. Hi, Angie Dugan from the Quilting Connection, coming to you from our Appleton location. We have more boxes to open. So this is a company that we haven't used before, but we're excited to start carrying them. The company is called Lewis and Irene. The name of this line is called Bumbleberries. So let me open up this one so you can see it a little better. This is my favorite part of opening up bolts, ripping all that off. So it is a very low volume print, little bubbles on there that are kind of like not even, there's some that are bigger, some that are smaller, but we thought this would be a really good background. So we ordered the whole line, but just on 7-yard bolts. So we could try it and see what you guys think. It is very soft. This company actually pre-washes and pre-shrinks all of the fabric for us. So it shouldn't have any of that extra shrinking, and it is just nice and soft. So this is the Bumbleberries line. That one is a cream color. Here is a real light pale pink. A nice brighter gold yellow. A little bit of a softer gold yellow. Green, I would call this more sage green. Ooh, one of my favorite colors. A bright blue, a light purple, light lavender, gray on gray, darker purple, a darker gray, reminds me of my favorite So Fine Thread, 408. Ooh, a darker teal, a nice like taupe kind of beige color, cream, dark blue, coral kind of red, pinkish, light blue, hot pink, and I would call this like a denim blue, maybe periwinkle-ish. Box number 2. It is taped up really well, and this is a very heavy-duty box. Not all of our fabrics get shipped in these heavy-duty of boxes. Ooh, a nice dark purple, darker green, darker blue, black or dark gray. I would call this dark gray, not really black, bright blue, a pumpkin orange, red, navy. I would call this a navy blue, chocolate brown, medium purple, royal, maybe, green, lighter teal, a light blue teal, more of a rust color red, dark gold. Ooh, I love this. A darker teal green. No, dark teal green, I would call that one. Bolt of gray. So again, this line is from Lewis and Irene. It is the Bumbleberries line. So we have all of these great low volume prints for you to add to your quilts. We'd love to have you come check them out in person at our Appleton location, 1017 West Northland Avenue, or check them out on our website, quiltingconnection.com. Thanks for watching.